Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. You know how I sign off every video with "Have a great shave, have a great day"? Did you ever wonder where that came from? Me too. I had the thought the other night. So what I decided to do, I'll put together this little video mashup of, say, my first 15 or so videos. I think I've got about 300 now, but we'll do my first 15 and we'll see how we got from where we started, which was a little bit awkward, I might say, to where we are now with the expression, "Have a great shave, have a great day." So let's check it out. Keep the rubber side down, drive safe, have a great day, and check out some of my other videos. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Good luck, happy motoring, happy shaving, and we'll see you in the future. Keep the rubber side down. Take care. And check out my other videos. Thank you. Have a good day. So, best of luck. And have a great day. Start your day with a great shave. You will have a great day. All right, take care. We'll see you next time. If you start every day with a great shave, you'll have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care. So that's how you do it. That's the best way I've found. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. See you next time, and have a great day. Remember, you start each day with a great shave. You'll make each day a great day. Take care. Or you go both ways, whatever. Enjoy. Have a great shave. We'll see you next time. Check out some of my other videos. Take care. Have a great shave. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. So have a great shave. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care. Thank you and take care. We'll see you next time. Have a great shave and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care. Have a great shave. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed that video mashup of how the expression "have a great shave, have a great day" came to be. And thank you very much for watching. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.